How to change profile picture on Facebook. First, open your Facebook app and click More in the lower right corner of your screen. Click on your name to see your profile. You can simply select on your picture or click Edit Profile. Then you will see the Edit option beside the profile picture. Now you can select a profile picture. You can choose to select from your camera roll or the suggested photos by clicking More. Once you have selected the picture that you want, you can now edit it. You can adjust how it will look like on your profile picture. As you can see here, you can crop it and then click Done once you're finished. Click Next once you're satisfied. You can even choose to share or to not share it to your newsfeed by clicking this tick button. Then, of course, don't forget to write your caption. And you can choose who can see your post, if it is public or private in the upper portion. And once you're satisfied, just click Save. Then you can also choose to save it, your new profile picture, to your other connected Meta accounts, or you can click Not Now. Then once you refresh that, it should appear as your new profile picture. And that's it. You have successfully changed your Facebook profile picture. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.